Okay, so for this activity, we are going to find the solution to inequalities, okay? So let's look here. It says, which of the following are solutions to inequality below? Select all the apply. So basically here it says that K, which can mean a number, has to be less than or equal to 10. So I'm going to start listing possible numbers for K using that principle, okay? So it says it has to be less than, so let's think of numbers less than 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. You get the point, right? But the little dash underneath says or equal to 10. So we can include 10 as well. So we're going to look here and it says to select possible values for K. So we said less than 10. 8 is less than 10. 5 is less than 10. 12 is not less than 10, so we cannot click 12. And 1 is less than 10. So we're going to hit submit. Perfect. Now let's look at the next one. R is less than 3. So let's think about numbers that are less than 3 for R. Two is less than 3. 1 is less than 3. 0 is less than 3. -1 is less than 3. -2 is less than 3. -3 is less than 3. -5 is less than 3. So you get the point, right? So I'm going to select numbers that are less than 3. 3. Is 3 less than 3? No. 3 is equal to 3. And we don't have the little dash thingy that tells us that it has to be also equal to. So we're not going to select this one. R equals 11. 11 is not less than 3, so we cannot select 11. R equals 1. 1 is less than 3, so we're going to select that one. R equals 6. 6 is not less than 3, so we cannot select that one. Now, this one's flipped, and a lot of students used to like, what in the world? Let's see. Is Q equal to 7 a solution to the inequality below? So basically, we're going to substitute. So we're going to pretend that Q is 7, okay? And then we're going to see if the inequality is true. So if Q was 7, we're saying that 7 is less than 1. Is 7 less than 1? No, it does not make any sense. It is not less than 1. But let's see if you want to see it the other way. 1 is greater than 7. Is 1 greater than 7? No, it is not greater than 7. So, no, it does not make the inequality true. Now let's look at the next one. 4 is less than or equal to B. Again, let's start stating numbers that are less than, see, 4 is less than or equal to B, right? So numbers that we're saying that that 4 is less than or equal to B. So let's look at B now. B is greater than or equal to 4. So we're going to start listing numbers that are greater than 4. 5 is greater than 4. 6 is greater than 4. 7 is greater than 4. 8 is greater than 4. 9 is greater than 4. Also, is this equal to? So it can equal to 4. So B, 10. 10 is greater than 4. So if I was to put 10 here, 10 is greater than 4. 6 is greater than 4. 2 is not greater than 4, so I'm not going to select that. 5 is greater than 4, so I'm going to select that.